This will get rid of all the split ends, and the wind's gonna blow it beautifully. Style, you don't even have to style it. All right, it's time to search for some more split ends. Let's see here. Okay, I think she got a lot of split ends. Let's go check this out. Excuse me?
Yes?
Would you like to be a model for my hair cutting CreaClip? Okay, wait a minute. I think I saw you in the news.
Oh yeah, I just won Miss Preteen Hawaii USA.
Oh really? Oh my gosh, perfect. I can't believe I ran into you on the beach. You definitely got some split ends. When was your last haircut?
It's almost been a year.
A year? Okay, your layers are really long. Did you want layers? Do you want to cut layers?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, perfect. Then we'll just do the layer haircut. It's super easy. Okay, we're going to use the large curve CreaClip. Look at her split ends. And so we're going to give her some more layers. You're going to flip your head over. Okay. I'm going to clip the CreaClip onto your hair and then lock it into place. Make sure the level's in the middle, and you just bend over. Just keep bending over until I say stand up. Okay, and you just slide it down. We're gonna cut all these layers off. You can stand up, so we'll cut all this hair. Look, the wind is gonna blow it away. Whoa, boom, 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 boom. Yes, this will get rid of all the split ends, and the wind's gonna blow it beautifully. Style, you don't even have to style it. Just blow it in place. So get rid of split ends and layer the front of your hair at the same time. Okay, put your head up slowly. Yeah, and then turn towards the wind, and then it'll blow your hair all the way back. Okay, and then that way you can see all the layers it created. See, now you've got some pretty layers. Let's just let the wind style it for you. And since we're at the ocean, I'm gonna just put some little bit of salt. Some salt in there. Oh yeah. Wet it a little bit because we brushed it. We brushed it so it's a bit frizzy. I'm gonna just put some salt water in. See the hair? Beautiful layers. There you go! I just did perfect layers, 60-second layers on the beach. Yep.